In today's video, we are talking about Jhanak and the episode that might finally expose the truth about what really happened to Arshi's baby. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. Brief context teaser. So, in this track, tensions are running high, fingers are being pointed, accusations are flying, and the family is divided like never before. Everyone wants answers, but the question is who's really at fault and who's just playing the blame game? The episode begins with Shubh telling Arshi that she should file a case against Jhanak. Tanuja says they wanted Arshi to recover before discussing this. Arshi asserts that Anirudh doesn't love her or the baby. Shubh claims that Jhanak is manipulating Anirudh to gain his sympathy. Tanuja insists that Jhanak needs to be thrown out of the house, blaming her for the problems between Anirudh and Arshi. Arshi says she doesn't trust Dadi, and Vinayak prefers to stay uninvolved. Shubh remarks that Vinayak has a soft spot for Jhanak. Arshi vows to prove herself as the best. Tanuja believes the police will conduct a thorough investigation. Shubh agrees with her. Arshi asks them to accompany her to the police station. Shubh warns that no one else should find out about it. Meanwhile, Choto tells Mrinalini he feels sorry for Lal. Mrinalini says she doesn't want Bipasha to leave the house, hoping she will change. Choto doubts Bipasha's willingness to change. Appu arrives and mocks Choto for pretending to study. She reminds Mrinalini of her promise to open a music school for her. Mrinalini asks Appu to wait a little longer. Appu questions why she should wait and whether she should start finding students herself. She says it seems she can't trust Mrinalini anymore. Choto offers to help Appu open the school. Appu then asks if Bipasha will leave the house, expressing her preference for her to stay. She regrets not opening the school earlier, suggesting she could have kept Jhanak away. Appu warns Choto to pass his exams, or else Mrinalini will be insulted. Choto assures her that he won't give anyone a reason to complain. Appu suggests he take charge of the music school. Mrinalini and Choto get emotional. At the police station, Shubh introduces Arshi to the inspector, accusing Jhanak of causing Arshi's baby's death. He recounts how Jhanak entered their lives and destroyed them. Arshi claims Jhanak was the only one present at the hospital on her delivery day. Tanuja adds that Arshi's pregnancy had complications from the start. Shubh further states that Jhanak didn't inform the family about the doctor's decision to perform surgery. They were only informed of the baby's death upon reaching the hospital. Tanuja accuses Jhanak of falsely blaming Omkar and Sarika. The inspector questions Jhanak's motive. Tanuja asserts that Jhanak wanted to control Anirudh. Arshi demands a fair investigation and punishment for Jhanak. The inspector asks Shubh to complete the necessary forms and inquires about Anirudh's stance. Arshi dismisses Anirudh's opinion, emphasizing her demand for justice. The inspector assures them of a thorough investigation. Later, Appu tells the Bose family about her desire to open a music school. Arshi sarcastically remarks that Appu must return to her mother's house to achieve her dreams. Lalu reminds Arshi that Appu also owns a share of the house and mocks her memory. Arshi then instructs Anjana to send her food to her room. Anjana urges Arshi to join them at the table. Arshi rudely responds that the house has a maid to handle chores, glaring at Jhanak. Just then, the police arrive. Appu anxiously questions their presence. The inspector announces that they are there to arrest Jhanak. Everyone is shocked. Shubh points at Jhanak, identifying her to the inspector. Jhanak demands to know the reason for her arrest. Anirudh defends Jhanak, leading Arshi to accuse him of only caring about Jhanak. Jhanak pleads with Arshi to stop this. Tanuja reminds Jhanak that Anirudh is Arshi's husband. Jhanak retorts that it's because of her sacrifice. She firmly denies harming the baby. Arshi furiously claims that Jhanak might have stolen and sold her baby. Anirudh, outraged, demands Arshi stop her baseless accusations. Arshi insists that Anirudh should stay out of it. He protests, calling the accusations unjust. Arshi, consumed by anger and grief, vows to ensure Jhanak's downfall. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Bye guys.